Mark Zuckerberg was selling Oculus that day. He went on an ad spree, spent like 100 million. Everybody thought now Oculus is Metaverse because Facebook is Meta. To simplify this, I'll give you a simple example. Is website owned by one company? No. Some websites are made on WordPress. Some are made by some software company. Some are made by some Shopify. Each one of you go to some website. Similarly, there are multiple types of metaverses. There's no one metaverse. The confusion probably was when everybody thought that metaverses can be accessed only on virtual reality headgear. You know why everybody thought so? Because everybody thinks that metaverse is all virtual reality. No. Virtual reality is virtual reality, and you need a virtual reality headgear to go and access content. For metaverses, you don't need virtual reality headgear. Mark Zuckerberg was selling Oculus that day. He went on an ad spree, spent like 100 million. Everybody thought now Oculus is Metaverse because Facebook is Meta. He's such a big man, na? He just carried. He said, okay, now this is Metaverse. Everybody thought, oh, for this we need, for VR we need, Oculus we need for us to access Metaverse. No. Metaverses, 90% of metaverses do not require a VR headgear. Metaverses have existed for a very long time. And metaverse or immersive experiences go hand in hand. I'll explain what is immersive experience. Many of you would have known about augmented reality. हम लोग phone लेते हैं, we scan the QR code, and then we have this 3D object. It could be any 3D object that can be superimposed using our mobile camera. So augmented reality तो 1960-65 से चल रही है, कोई ऐसा नया नहीं था. वर्चुअल रियलिटी तो उससे भी ज़्यादा पॉपुलर थी. हम लोग वीआर हेडगियर लगाते हैं. आप सब तो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, पावर ट्रांसमिशन और टैंजिबल इंडस्ट्री से आते हो. इनफैक्ट आप लोग की इंडस्ट्री तो सबसे पहले एम्ब्रेस करी थी वर्चुअल रियलिटी. एंड यू नो वन मोर थिंग, now you just may not have your experience in the metaverse. Like Rahul comes to some website. Rahul can see company X, like your company. I can go your company products. I can see them. Whether it's a virtual store, whether your product demo, whether some 3-4 people are talking about your product and collaborating, on the content. I walk a few steps from there, and I can see your products. Like your shop. It's a free will navigation. It's a world. Metaverse. Parallel universe. It does not have a boundary. Like Mother Earth, we have limited land. We don't have infinite land. We have a finite land on Mother Earth. But when it comes to the metaverse, we will have different types of metaverses, meaning that companies can collaborate with each other and create a mall, create their own experiences together. Like 5 of you are doing some JV, and you're trying to build something. Now you can all come together and create digital twin that all 5 can use. But all 5 may have a different purpose for it. We call it 911 because it's a helpline in the US. So we work with clients all over the world, give them help, instant help, like 911 on Metaverse projects.